When you're ready to save or share the design you've created, tap this export button. This will open the export screen. From here you can see 4 important things. The first is the format and size of your design. You can see that here. The second is the preview of your design. And the third are the quick save buttons at the bottom. You can save this to your photo library immediately by tapping the save button. You can add this to a folder you've created to organize your projects. You can share straight to Instagram or tap more for more options like sending to other apps. And finally, the export settings. This is where you can change the format of your design and set the quality levels. JPEG is great for small designs that are going on Instagram or shared digitally. PNG is great for bigger designs and, more importantly, when you're creating something on a transparent background, like a logo or watermark. Exporting as a PNG will make sure it saves without a background. And finally, PDF for printing, multiple page designs or high res. Let's say you're saving out this normal Instagram story. You tap export, then save as a JPEG, like this. If you wanted to save this logo without a background, you'd make sure the background was transparent first. To check that, tap on the background and tap Edit. Then make sure the color is turned off. Then tap Export and change the setting to PNG. Then you can bring it back into a new design without a background, like this. And finally, if you created a design to print, like this menu, you could save it as a PDF, like this. When you tap Save, the app will ask you where you'd like to save your PDF. And that's it, the basics of sharing and saving your designs.